The Phalanx serves as the mobile fortress monastery of the Imperial Fist chapter of the Adeptus Astartes. Rumored to be constructed during the Dark Age of technology, the Phalanx is the largest starship in service to the Imperium. The size of a small moon, the Phalanx would be discovered by Primarch of the 7th Legion, Rogal Dorn, during his ascension as the Emperor of the Inwit Empire. Found in a dormant state in the Inwit solar system, Dorn would tirelessly work on reactivating the vessel, his efforts being successful mere years before the arrival of the Emperor of Mankind to the Inwit system and Dorn's ascension as a Primarch of the Imperium. Bequeathed to the Imperial Fists and repurposed as the chapter's fortress monastery and primary battleship, the Phalanx has fought at the vanguard of some of the most crucial wars of the Imperium's history. Housing the population and resources of an Imperial hive city, the Phalanx can dock multiple Navy cruisers and starships. With more firepower than any vessel of the Imperial Navy and capable of warp travel, the Phalanx allows the might of the Imperial Fists to travel throughout the stars with unmatched strength. A hammer blow to the enemies of humanity, the Phalanx brings to bear enough destructive force to rival entire fleets of Xenos vessels. Yet as millennia have passed, the Phalanx bears many scars requiring vigilant repair and monitoring. The scale required to fix many of its inner workings lost to time with the erosion of the Imperium's knowledge of the ship's nuances and parameters. Despite its glory days of defending Terra during the Horus Heresy and facing the War of the Beast behind it, the Phalanx is nonetheless a colossal bastion of the Imperial Navy. Besieged during Abaddon the Despoiler's 13th Black Crusade, the Phalanx would narrowly avoid destruction due to the boarding actions of Iron Warrior Warsmith Shon II. The Phalanx would be preserved due to the efforts of Captain Tor Garadon of the Imperial Fists and the mysterious Legion of the Damned. Forced to turn the ship's guns on itself due to the introduction of a complex computer virus in its systems, the Phalanx would aid in the destruction of a Blackstone fortress within the orbit of the planet of Cadia. Battered and bruised from the conflict, the Phalanx would harbour many survivors escaping from the fall of Cadia. Now stationed once more in orbit of Holy Terror, the Phalanx stands vigil over the Throne World as repairs are made by the Adeptus Mechanicus and Techmarines of the Imperial Fists. Utilizing long-sealed technologies given by the Shadow Keepers of the Adeptus Custodes, the Phalanx has been gradually restored to a standard not seen in many centuries of its service, an unignorable symbol of humanity's strength, poised to crush the enemies of the Emperor at a moment's notice. The Phalanx endures as the longest-serving instrument of void warfare in humanity's history.